AI is no longer the future, it's the present. And while some people are leveraging it to skyrocket their productivity, others are still struggling with outdated methods, losing hours on tasks AI can do in seconds. Let me ask you, have you ever spent way too much time writing emails, editing photos, or researching something only to feel drained and behind schedule? What if I told you there are powerful AI tools that can save you time, effort, and money without costing you a single dollar? Today, I'll show you 5 game-changing free AI tools that you must try in 2025. And trust me, the last one is a hidden gem that most people don't even know exists. Let's dive in. Ever sent an email and then realized it sounds off? Maybe too robotic, too casual, or just not professional enough? That's where DeepLWrite comes in. Uses AI to refine your writing, fix grammar, and improve tone. More advanced than Grammarly, ensuring flawless professional communication. Whether you're applying for a job, pitching a client, or just trying to sound smarter in emails, this tool has your back. Finally, an AI that makes you sound like a Harvard graduate instead of a confused intern. But what if I told you AI can also instantly edit images like a pro? Keep watching. Let's be honest, removing backgrounds in Photoshop can feel like performing surgery with a butter knife. But with Pixel Cut, it's one click and done. Instantly removes backgrounds from images using AI. No design skills required, way easier than Photoshop. Perfect for content creators, e-commerce sellers, or anyone who wants clean, professional-looking images without spending hours editing. And speaking of time-consuming tasks, what if AI could edit your videos for you, automatically? Stick around. Video editing can be a soul-draining process. Cutting, trimming, adding effects. It's enough to make you question your life choices. But what if AI could do it for you? Meet CapCut AI Editor, your new best friend for effortless video editing. Auto-generates captions, applies effects, and enhances videos. Saves hours of manual work, great for YouTubers, marketers, and social media creators. Your videos look professional without you having to become a full-time editor. Finally, a video editor that doesn't crash every 5 minutes. Now, let's talk about research, because if you're tired of fake or outdated information, this next AI tool is a lifesaver. We've all been there, searching for research papers or reliable articles, only to end up with blog spam and misleading information. That's where Site.ai comes in. Uses AI to verify facts and find credible research sources. Saves time by filtering out unreliable content. Perfect for students, professionals, and anyone tired of digging through bad information online. And now, for a massively underrated AI tool that can automate your workflow, enhance productivity, and even write code for you, all for free. You've heard of ChatGPT, but have you tried Google Bard AI? It's fast, free, and deeply connected to Google's ecosystem. A smart AI assistant for writing, research, automation, and coding. Syncs with Google Docs, Sheets, and Search, making workflow seamless. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or student, Bard AI can save you hours of work every day. AI is getting so smart, soon it'll start sending emails on our behalf, or maybe even rejecting spam calls. These 5 AI tools can help you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently without spending a dime. But the real question is, are you using AI to its full potential? If you want to automate your daily tasks with ChatGPT and boost productivity like never before, click on this next video right now.